In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manually add a customer end user to Zendesk. We'll walk through the process step by step, so even if you're new to Zendesk, you'll be able to follow along and feel confident by the end. First, log into your Zendesk support dashboard using your usual credentials. Once you're in, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a vertical menu with different icons. Find the icon that looks like two people together. This is the customers section. Go ahead and click that icon to open your list of existing customers or end users. At the top right corner of the customers area, you'll see an option to add a customer. This is usually labeled Add Customer. Click on that, and a pop-up window will appear in the center of your screen. This is where you'll create the new end user. Inside this pop-up, you'll see two main fields you need to fill out. The first field is for the name. Type in the customer's full name, or at least the name they'll recognize when they receive emails or interact with your support team. Keeping names consistent and clear is helpful for both your agents and the customer. The second field is for the email address. Enter the customer's email carefully, double checking for spelling errors or missing characters. The email address is crucial because it's how Zendesk will link all of that user's tickets and communications. If you enter it incorrectly, the customer might not receive your responses or notifications. Once you've entered the name and email and confirmed they look correct, move to the bottom right of the pop-up and click the Add button. Zendesk will create the new end user and automatically take you to their profile page. On this customer profile page, you'll see more detailed options. Here, you can review and edit the user type, making sure they are set as an end user rather than an agent or admin. You can also adjust their access settings, confirm or change the primary email, and add additional contact information like secondary emails or phone numbers if needed. This is also where you can add tags to the customer. Tags are useful for organizing users into groups, tracking special attributes, or supporting workflows and automations later on. Take a moment to fill in any relevant details now so that your support team has all the context they need when tickets start coming in. And that's it. You've successfully created a new customer end user in Zendesk and customized their profile to fit your support process.